how to fix AMD Graphic Driver Error 182 in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix graphics card problem on Windows. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with a method 1, that is to update or manually switch your graphics driver. So simply open the Windows search bar and there simply type Device Manager. And now here simply open the Device Manager. And now here, once you are inside the Device Manager, simply look for the display adapters and click on it. And now here under the display adapters, you simply have to right click on your graphics card, and now here from the pop-up menu simply click on update driver. And now here you can simply click for search automatically for drivers, and there if it says the best driver is already installed, then you can simply go back and there you can simply click on the other option that says browse my computer for drivers, and there you can simply click on let me pick from a list of available drivers, and there you can choose the second driver option in the list. And then after you have done that, you can simply click next and wait for the installation to finish and then check if the issue is fixed. And with that, moving forward to the method 2, that is to roll back your driver. So here, if updating didn't work, then what you can do is simply right click on the graphics card again, and from the pop-up menu, you simply have to click on properties. And now here in this section, if you see the option like this, then you simply have to go to the drivers tab, and there you simply have to click on rollback driver if available and confirm the rollback. And after that, you can simply restart your PC and test your graphics card again. And with that, moving forward to the step 3 or method 3, that is to install the Windows update. So here, simply go to the Windows search bar again, and there you can simply type check for updates, and there you can simply click on it. And now here you can simply click on check for updates, and there if the Windows find any update, then you can simply install all available updates, and after that you can simply restart your computer. And after completing all methods, you simply have to restart the computer to apply changes fully, and this should fix most graphic driver related issue. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.